Hello, calculus fans! Okay, so let's actually do the computation where we show how to do the derivative of big F of x equals sine of x squared plus 1. So we're going to use the chain rule on this because this is naturally written as a composition of functions. In fact, what we said before was that we can write big F of x as little f of g of x, where little f is sine x and g of x is equal to x squared plus 1. So you should be able to see that the inside function is the x squared plus 1, and the outside function is the sine. Now remember what the chain rule says. It says that the derivative of this composite function is f prime times g prime. But of course, we have to be careful when we write f prime, the inside remains the same. Okay, so we want to compute the derivatives of each piece. The derivative of f prime is cosine x, the derivative of g prime is 2x. But then we have to remember that we're going to be keeping the inside of f prime, so f prime of g of x is cosine of x squared plus 1. So that x squared plus 1, this part here, that's going to be the first part of the chain rule. Okay, so here's our answer. It's just going to be cosine of x squared plus 1 times 2x. So here is f prime, and here's g prime, and we're just going to multiply them together. Now the book has a very nice description of what's going on here. After the first example that they do, they show the outer function and the inner function, and they're showing this very carefully to show you what the pieces are in the chain rule. And I think it's definitely worth going through the example that they have in the book. That's all for now.